Most DEI training sessions fail within 48 hours. Companies spend thousands on workshops, everyone nods along, and then nothing changes. The problem isn't that inclusion doesn't matter. It's that most organizations treat these diversity, equity, and inclusion trainings like a checkbox instead of a system. But DEI isn't about sitting through a single training. It's about building teams where bias doesn't quietly control who gets hired, heard, and promoted. And these DEI training needs to match the actual gaps in our culture, whether that's awareness, unconscious bias, allyship, or something else entirely. So in this video, we'll look at 6 steps to implement DEI training, with a little help from ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace that makes it easier to turn training into real workflows, follow-through, and measurable impact. Step 1 is awareness training, because you can't change what people can't spot. You need to make your team notice bias and understand why same treatment doesn't always mean fair outcomes. For this, you need to run a short, focused session, which is easier to absorb, repeat, and build on. Now, to make sure it doesn't fade after the session, you need a system. In ClickUp, you can set up a DEI training space. Inside ClickUp's HR management platform, so it sits right next to hiring, onboarding, and people ops, where it'll actually be used. Then add each awareness session as a task. Assign due dates and attach the reading material and videos directly inside that task, so everyone participates. The next step is to prepare for unconscious bias training. Bias shows up most in hiring, promotions, and feedback, so this training has to connect directly to those moments. You must keep it practical, use real workplace scenarios, focus on decision-making, not theory, and teach people how to slow down bias thinking before they choose. And if you actually want to make this training impactful, this is where ClickUp helps. Start by using ClickUp Views to build a bias-resistant hiring workflow. With its 15+ options, you can easily track open roles, move them to different stages, and prepare a structured scorecard. Next, use ClickUp Brain, your inbuilt context-aware AI assistant, to anonymize resumes and generate an AI comparison table based only on skills and experience. So personally identifiable details don't influence early screening. Then standardize evaluation with ClickUp's hiring selection matrix template and remove identifying details early in the hiring workflow. So fairness isn't left to memory or mood, it's baked into the process. Once people are hired, inclusion usually breaks in day-to-day collaboration. That's where cultural competency training comes in. It helps teams understand how culture shapes communication and builds trust instead of friction. To support this, you can use ClickUp's Meet the Team template. Use it as a shared reference point to show backgrounds, working styles, and strengths so people understand how their teammates actually work. Then centralize shared norms like communication guidelines, collaboration expectations, and decision-making norms in ClickUp Docs. You can also build a simple DEI knowledge base with key terms, FAQs, and examples, so teams aren't guessing, they have clarity. DEI lives or dies with leadership behavior. That's why you need to focus on training your leadership to practice inclusion. Leaders need to know how to give equitable feedback, run inclusive meetings, and create space for different voices, not just support DEI in principle. This is where accountability matters. Using ClickUp, you can set DEI goals in ClickUp Docs, like inclusive hiring or fair promotion practices, and break them into measurable targets. You can then connect these targets with tasks and track their progress, so inclusion doesn't stay abstract. And when follow-up is needed, assign comments helps turn commitments into action. Clear ownership, clear next steps, no ambiguity. That's how inclusive leadership moves from a value statement to a visible behavior. Next, address microaggressions and build allyship. The goal isn't just spotting those small comments, it's knowing how to respond in the moment. Teach employees how to recognize microaggressions, practice what to say when they happen, and train allies to step in respectfully when someone else can't. To support this, you need safe ways to surface issues. This is where ClickUp can help. Use ClickUp Chat to create confidential one-on-one communication channels between managers and employees. Create tasks based on your conversations so people actually process what they learned. And finally, use ClickUp Forms to collect feedback and automate follow-up workflows for flagged issues, ensuring the affected person isn't burdened with next steps. Lastly, make DEI training a consistent initiative. That means breaking DEI into regular check-ins and treating it with the same structure as any other business program. Use ClickUp Calendar to schedule DEI sessions and refreshers, mind maps to plan initiatives, and dashboards to track participation and progress. You can even use time tracking to understand where effort is going and adjust over time. This is how DEI shifts from an event to an operating rhythm. So if you want to move from one-off DEI sessions to structured, ongoing programs, ClickUp is your tool, a converged AI workspace that helps turn training into workflows, accountability, and measurable outcomes. Sign up for free today at clickup.com and get started.